Hey guys, so we're doing a little bit of creek fishing today. I'm at river fishing. I'm in here. I just checked my turtle trap, so there's nothing on them. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to walk and find a spot in this where there's chubs and try and catch a little bit of fish. So I'll see you when I find a spot. Okay, so I think we just found a spot. I think it looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to try it out and see if I can catch anything here. There's a fish already! Holy crap, there is fish in here. Apparently there is. I had that thing right away. It fought pretty big, so yeah. There's a fish. Oh, there he is. I don't know what this is. What the heck is this? Okay. I do not know what these fishes are. These always look like some sort of like they look kind of like a carp, a baby carp. Here it is. They look kind of like it. It's gone. Dang it. But yeah, there it is. There's a fish. Oh, yeah. This is fighting a little bit harder right here. Dang. Oh, wow. There he is. That's a little bit of a bigger fish right there. This is a nice bigger creek chub right here. There he is. See you later, buddy. Whoops. Oh, there he goes. There's a fish. There's a fish. Got something on. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's another one of these, like, carp fish. For some reason, always when it rains is when I catch these. But here he is. Man, they even have smaller mouths. Kind of like a carp. There he is again. See you later, buddy. Dang, those fish are neat. There's a fish. This thing's fighting hard. Harder. Oh, it's just a little creek chub. And it's a bigger one, though. And it's not a giant, but it's the biggest one, I guess. It's not the biggest one, but it's pretty nice. Here he is. There's a fish. There's one. Oh, that thing's small. Oh, what the heck is that? It's another one of those carp fish. Man, these things are so neat. I don't know. They're probably some kind of minnow. Yeah. Yeah, they're really neat, though. Kind of like them. There's a fish. Oh, yeah. There's a fish. What is this? Pretty sure that is a... Oh, that's another creek chub right here. Little bitty creek chub. This is the second species of the day. Ah, he's gone. Dang it. There's a fish. There's a fish. Something small. I've seen it. What the heck is this? It's another tiny, tiny little creek chub. There he is. There's a fish. Got something on here. Oh, what the? New species. Third species of the day right here. This looks like a nice little shiner. Shiners are really shiny, so here he is. Okay guys, so I think that's gonna do it for this video today. Comment down below if you want to see some more of these videos of creek fishing. But yeah, see you later.